This engineering powerhouse just posted record-breaking results with FY25 PAT at 261 crore rupees and an unexecuted order book of 5,132 crore rupees. Backed by 550 crore in upcoming capex, it's charging towards an 8,000 crore rupees revenue goal within 3 years. With margin expansion, global orders, and stock surging from rupees 30 to 512 in just 2 years, delivering a staggering 1,607% return. This growth story is just getting started. Stay tuned in the video to uncover more of these potential market leaders. Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of Noisemaker, where we screen through the noise to uncover the hidden gems in the stock market. I am Bhumika Jain, Equity Research Associate at Desperado Advisory, and in today's segment, we'll analyze two companies making moves that could fuel their long-term future growth. As always, this is not any buy or sell recommendation. Please conduct your research before making any kind of investments. So today's lineups are Transformers and Rectifies India Limited, and then is Arcade Developers Limited. So let's start with the first company, Transformers and Rectifies Limited. This company is a manufacturer of power distribution, furnace and rectifier transformers, serving the utility, industrial and export markets. This company posted a strong Q4 FY25 performance with revenue up by 32% YOY and EBITDA up 90% YOY, showcasing the good operational strength and efficient execution of the company. FY25 PAT came in 261 crore rupees, the highest in its history, supported by the better production planning and receivables management. To support this vision, the company is injecting 550 crore rupees in capex to expand the capacity by 37,000 MVA, with full commissioning expected by early FY27. It also targets 100% backward integration by the first quarter of FY27, supported by 4 new facilities. With strong institutional investors or interest, a global order pipeline and rising margins, this company is positioning itself as a key infrastructure enabler across the domestic and international markets. Now let's come to the second company, Arcade Developers. This company is a Mumbai-based real estate developer, specializes in the premium residential and commercial projects. This company recently bagged a 865 crore rupees of redevelopment project in Borivali West, covering 2.44 lakh square feet of saleable area, further strengthening its presence in the Mumbai's western suburbs. In the Q3 of FY25, Arcade reported 231 crore rupees approximately in revenue, up by 13.8% quarter-on-quarter, with PAT margins at 21.6%, showcasing the consistent profitability and strong execution of the company. This company is also targeting a 10,000 crore rupees in revenue milestone over the next 5 years, with 5,000 crore rupees of expected target to come from 8 already announced projects. Out of 400 crore IPO proceeds, 100 crore has been utilized, with the remaining funds earmarked for the land acquisition and construction. Now, let's review some of our previous picks. First is Gallant Ispat Limited, which we covered at 367 rupees, now at 405 rupees, up by 10.4%. Then Shena Energies Limited, which we covered at 162 rupees, now at 149 rupees, down by 8.4%. Then Power Make Projects Limited, which we covered at 2,299 rupees, now at 2,608 rupees, up by 13%. Then Kitex Garments Limited, which we covered at 170.9 rupees, now at 196 rupees, up by 15.2%. Then is Gina Seco Lifescare Limited, which we covered at 1,650 rupees, now at 2,074.9 rupees, up by 25.8%. In the summary of all these recent filings, Transformers and Rectifies India Limited delivered a record of FY25 PAT of 261 crore rupees, holds the highest ever 5,132 crore rupees unexecuted order book, and plans 550 crore rupees of capex to support it 8,000 crore rupees of revenue target. Arcade Developers Limited secured 865 crore rupees of Borivali project, aims for 10,000 crore revenue in 5 years, and is actively deploying IPO proceeds for growth. That's up for today's Noisemaker. For more details, you can check out our full report in the description below. Stay ahead, stay informed.